Hi, Rep Van Scooter here, owner of Van Scooter Insurance Agency. Thanks for checking out my video blog. This month, this is kind of top of mind for me, is rental car reimbursement. So I had a couple of accidents with, claims with clients here who carried kind of middle of the road coverage for rental car reimbursement. So I just want to shoot out a quick kind of, blog here on give you my opinion on what you should carry or what you shouldn't carry. So my philosophy with rental car reimbursement is, carry the maximum amount that you can buy or don't carry it at all. It's pretty much as simple as that. If you're carrying the middle of the road coverage, I really don't think it's worth the cost in doing that. Now, I got a lot of numbers here that I'm going to kind of throw out, so I'm going to be looking down at my notes here. I ran the numbers, and to get $20 of rental car reimbursement. Now, when I talk about rental car reimbursement, I'm saying if your car's in an auto accident and you need a car to get around, that your insurance company is going to pay for your expense for whatever's indicated on your policy. Now, at $20 a day, it's pretty much the minimum that an insurance company will offer. It's going to run you about $15 to $20 a year in premium for it. So that's not that much. It's pretty affordable that way. Unfortunately, you're not going to get in a rental car at $20 a day. Usually it's around $30 to $32. So you're going to have to come up with that extra $10 to $12 to get yourself in a rental car. Yeah, it's great that you had that, $20 that the insurance company's kicking in, but to buy the maximum amount of coverage, which is usually about $40 to $50 a day of rental car reimbursement, it's only going to cost you $30 to $35 a year. So it's not that much more, and it pretty much guarantees that you're not going to have any out-of-pocket expenses. Now, I was trying to look up online to see what kind of the average repair time is, for vehicles. There wasn't anything, a real consensus out there that gave that information. But just out of my experience, I'd say for my clients, the average repair time is about a week, 7 days. So that adds up. So pretty much if you had the minimum at $20, you have to come up with that extra $10 or $12. It's going to cost you out of your pocket an extra $70 to $84 a month, or a month, an extra $70 to $84 to pay for that rental car. Now, if you had just spent the extra $15, to get the maximum coverage, you would have essentially saved yourself, $55 to $69 that you wouldn't have to pay out of your pocket. So I think that $15 is a good investment. So that's kind of my rationale for why you should carry the maximum amount of coverage, because for not that much more money, you're going to save money if you're in an accident. That's basically what it comes down to. Now, so now to kind of my other point is, hey, if you can't afford to carry the maximum, or you don't want to carry the maximum, don't carry it at all. That's your best bet. I found out that kind of the average length of time between claims for people is 6 to 7 years. So if you look at it this way, the rental car coverage is going to cost you anywhere from $15 to $35. Now, if you fall in the average ranges that I've discussed, if you don't have an accident for 7 years, and at that 7 year you do, and then your car is in the shop for the average amount of repair time, 7 days, you've broken even because you've saved that $15 to $30 over a 7-year period. Now, you're going to come out ahead if your average length of time between the claim is longer than the 7 years. So if you go 8 years, 9 years, 10 years in your accident, and then your repair time is the 7 days or less, maybe you fall less than the average, maybe it's a small little fender bender and you're in and out in 3 days, you're going to come out ahead. So that's my rationale. Carry the most coverage you can, or don't carry any at all. Those are your two best options. The middle of the road doesn't work for you, because you end up paying money out of your pocket for the premium, but then also at the time of the claim you got to pay money out of your pocket again. I just don't think it's worthwhile. So carry the max or don't carry any at all. Now, if you like us to review your auto and home insurance to make sure you're getting the best value for your insurance dollar, give my agency a call. We'd be happy to help you out with a free, no obligation insurance quote. And remember, Van Scooter Insurance Agency, don't be fooled by the name. We insure more than vans and scooters.